Hello, in this video I'm going to show you what to do when your PIN doesn't want to get accepted on your Redmi Note 7 Pro. Okay, so let's begin. So first, as you can see, we cannot remember the PIN, and now what to do. We have a few things that we can do on our own, so let's first try to simply restart the device. Sometimes even a simple reboot can help. So to reboot the device, hold the power button and now hit on the reboot, just like that. Now I'll wait until it gets restarted. Also, if you want, you can visit the brand service center with a proof of purchase, and in that place you can try to look for help. You might even get it, and they might help you. And as a last thing that we can do on our own is to try to perform a factory reset using the recovery mode. Thanks to that, our screen lock will be turned off, but we will also erase, we will lose all of our data, so have that in mind, that because of the factory reset, we will lose everything which we have on our phone, and it's like the last thing and a last method if anything else goes wrong. So to perform the factory reset, we need to power off the device, hold the power button and click on the power off. Now we need to get access into the recovery mode, and we do it by holding the power button and volume up button at the same time when the phone is turned off. So keep holding. When the Redmi logo appears, release the finger from the power button, but keep holding volume up. And now we are in the recovery mode. Now to move around this menu, we use the volume keys. And now select wipe data and confirm by clicking the power button. Select wipe data, and now you need to select and hit the confirm, and that's the last moment when you can go back, because when you hit on confirm, you won't be able to undone it. You can also read about it on the screen. So hit on confirm if you want to perform that factory reset. Data wiped successfully. Now select the reboot. Now reboot the system, confirm, and within seconds the device will be turned on. And the next thing you need to do is to simply set up your device. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.